Hey everyone! Today I want to talk about something that often gets overlooked but is incredibly important: emergency funds. Picture this. You just lost your job, your car breaks down, a family member needs urgent medical care, or you suddenly have to take an unexpected trip. Do you have the funds to handle it? Emergencies often catch us off guard, and it's likely that at some point we'll face unexpected challenges. That's why having an emergency fund is essential. It provides a financial safety net when life throws us a curveball. An emergency fund is typically 3 to 6 months worth of your living expenses set aside in a liquid, easily accessible account. But why is this so crucial? First off, it provides peace of mind. Knowing you have a financial cushion can alleviate a lot of the stress associated with those unexpected events. Imagine not having to worry about how you'll pay your bills if you lose your job. That's a game changer. Secondly, it helps you avoid debt. Without an emergency fund, you might resort to credit cards or loans to cover unexpected costs. High interest rates can quickly turn a small emergency into a long-term financial burden. Now, let's talk about some tips for building your emergency fund. Start small. Aim to save $500 to $1,000 initially. This is a manageable goal and can cover many minor emergencies. Set up automatic transfers. Automating your savings ensures consistency. Even if it's just $50 a month, it adds up over time. Cut back on non-essentials. Take a look at your monthly expenses and identify areas where you can cut back. Do you really need that fancy coffee every day? Utilize windfalls. Got a bonus at work or a tax refund? Instead of splurging, consider putting a portion of it into your emergency fund. Now, some of you might be thinking, I'm living paycheck to paycheck. How can I even start saving? It's about making small, consistent changes. Every little bit helps. Even if it's just $10 a week, it will grow. Remember, emergencies are unpredictable. Having an emergency fund is not about if something will happen, but when. It's one of the smartest financial decisions you can make. So take that first step today. Start small, stay consistent, and build your safety net. Your future self will thank you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Smart Kid Concepts for more content like this. Stay curious, stay inspired, and keep learning.